out like a light. I said he's out like a light. Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
In half a mile, turn left onto Cascade Valley Court.